Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off DST, Daylight Saving Time, on your Casio watch. To begin with, we need to be in timekeeper mode. So at the bottom here, keep hitting the bottom left button until you get round to the time. So stopwatch and it will be time after. Now we need to hold down this button for a couple of seconds until the seconds start to flash like it does now. And now we're going to press this button here. And you will see at the moment it says off. If we hit this button here, we can toggle it to on, and you can see the times jump forward an hour. Likewise, if you want to turn it off, you hit this button again and it will go to off, and then the hour changes there. So you can see every time we press it, the hour's going forward and back. So if we leave it to on there, then we just hit this button to confirm. And that is it. That is now DST on your Casio watch. Thanks for watching.